Hey everyone, this is Keith from easytradingschool.com, and today I'm going to be um using the automated crypto system. I'm going to do a couple of trades and see how it works out. I've been getting a lot of emails regarding issues with the automated crypto system. In my previous video, I talked about how there are issues with the system. It wasn't working in the launch. I'm gonna try to do some trades today and see if these functions work. I have been getting emails that when you place a trade here, it doesn't really place the trade onto the broker. I did put in some money just because there were some demand for this, and the people were asking to show us the system. I know there's some other channels showing you that they're doing great with the system. I don't really believe that, to be honest. We're gonna see how it works out. Okay, uh, so now the first one that I have is USD JPY. I'm gonna see if I can put in $25, hit trade, and when I hit trade, I'm not sure if it's gone here, so my open trades is not there. So I did suspect that um, this doesn't work directly from the automated console, because a lot of systems are like that now. They don't really work directly from there, and if you're having this issue, it's because I don't think that you can place a trade directly from here for one reason or another. So what you can do is, the solution for this problem is, first you gotta do so this is the automated crypto system is only a signal system. It's not an auto trading system. It doesn't trade for you. I know they have these things that you put in amount and trade. Well, that's not also automated, because you gotta select and you gotta place the trade. So that means all you're doing, all this box is right here. I'm gonna try to draw this here. All this box here is, it's only to so you can select that trade, but you can do that directly too. You can directly go to the broker and select the trade. So you can do USD JPY here like this, and you can place sell. So you really don't need to use the this box at all, especially when it doesn't work. It doesn't work because I know a lot of systems these days, they don't work. They just add it in to show you before you sign up that it looks nice and it's gonna do something. But sorry to let you know that in these crappy systems, these buttons right here, they don't do anything. Okay, so a major fall down of these systems, and they call themselves automated for some reason. It's just a little bit dishonest. But never mind that. Let's just see if the system really give you good trading signal. So for example, what we mean by that, where the value lies is this arrow right here, this arrow right here, this arrow right here, and this indicator right here. So this is where the value lies, that whether these predictions are correct or wrong. And if they're right, then the system is good. You can sign up for it too. And if the system is bad, then I've just lost 500 euros. And then, I mean, I can ask for withdrawal of my money from 24 options. I can say, hey, I've deposited 500 euros. Let me show you here my account. I can say to 24 options, I've deposited 500 euros, and I can say, okay, I've done 3 trades or 4 trades, and it costed me, let's say, 100 euros. So I would have a balance of 400. And if it's not working, I can ask 24 options to withdraw my money by going to my account and going to withdrawal. Usually these brokers like 24 options, they're not happy giving you discount. When you go to the live chat, it's just, you know, they'll give you some general information, but they're not gonna give you a refund. So more or less you're gonna be left with, okay, now you have a balance of 400 euro, and you would say, okay, I'll just keep trading and hope that either my predictions on these assets are correct and my balance grows, or it will go down, and then you will have a problem. But you know, you should be able to withdraw your money, because that's the whole point. That's why you're trading, that you're gonna trade correctly on these you're gonna select to sell or buy, and you're trading on these pips here, and that's the whole point, that your balance gonna go up, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna withdraw, and that's what the business is. So they can't really say to you that you cannot withdraw your own money. If they say that to you, that you know, you can't withdraw your money, it's not a good broker. Personally, I have had a lot of issues with 24 option, especially before. I've not really dealt with them recently, but this is now I opened it because this automated crypto only has 24 option. That's the only reason I went with them. There are other better brokers. Let me just quickly show you that now. All right, I've opened binaryoptionstested.com. I can show you the URL. The URL is also in the link below. You can see the URL here, and now if you go there, we have a couple of banners. We do support them, and we do work with them, and I do use them to trade. And these are much better. For example, for the broker, Binary Cent is really good broker, because you can trade very low from 10 cents. They have very good support. You can, minimum deposit is $10, so you can get started with $10. I mean, if it doesn't work, all you've lost is $10, isn't it? And that's a good trial. That's a good test. That's a good proof that they have the system working. Binary Cent, you click register, and then you can register with them. So this is a broker, and this is BinBot Pro, which is the automated crypto system. So this is much better, and their trades do go directly to Binary Cent, and they're both available worldwide, and that's why I have the banners up. Easy to see. I'll put the links in the video again. And thirdly, I do talk about Maximus CryptoBot. It's also a good system. I've used it in the past. I think I should turn it on again, but right now I'm going to go back to automated crypto system and see if their success rates are what they tell us. Okay, now before I do take a trade, I have to look at the timing, because what happens is that when you have the system open, let me show you what it means. There's a time and date available, and this is very important. Okay, so if this time and date is old, then the whole signal becomes outdated. Okay, so I'll show you what I mean. So when I logged in, I got to this page, and this was at 13:35. Now the time I have on my clock is what is it? It's 13:03. Okay, so that means 13:35 is like 1 o'clock and 35 minutes, and the time I have is 13:03. Okay, it is a different time zone. Okay, right. So the time I have is 2:04. Okay, so that means 2:04. It's about 60 minus 35 plus 3. So this signal is 28 minutes behind. Okay, so that means it's a little bit old now. Okay, so what I gotta do, I gotta refresh the page and wait for the new signal to come in, and then take that trade. I can still take that, but it's a little bit old. So imagine this is here 10 o'clock. Let me just show you what I mean. This is 10 o'clock, and this is in yesterday's date. Today is the 8th of January, and this is 7th of January. And now imagine if you take this trade, do you think this upward, which is a sell option, do you think this is still valid? Okay, I think okay, wait, yeah, all right. Yeah, this do you think this this is in yesterday's date and this is saying it goes up, do you think this is still valid? I don't think so, because now all the charts have changed, the markets have changed, and this is no longer valid. So why, I mean, I don't understand why we still have to look at this, you know. And this is why traders, when they sign up with these systems, they don't really know how to use it, because they will say, okay, I'm gonna place a couple of trades, 1 2 3 4 5, but then they never looked at this, you know. And it's not software's fault. It's just you gotta learn the basics, you know. You gotta know how to trade manually, because even to use the signals, you gotta know how to use them, you know. So I'm just gonna refresh the page here. Just refresh the page there, and now I can see that this has changed. The USD JPY is now going down. Downwards is sell. Okay, so now we can see that there is a new time frame here, which is much better, because the time I have is 2:07. So this came in 2:06. It's today's date. Very recent, 1 minute old. So these signals are okay to trade. Now the next step I gotta do is which 4 of these right here I'm gonna take. This is old now, okay, this is history, because this is yesterday's date. Now I gotta these 1 2 downwards, these 2 upwards. Now I gotta make my own decision, because the automated trading system is not really automated. You gotta select, and not only that, you have to go to the broker and find that asset. Okay, you gotta find that asset, and then gonna place the trade on to the broker directly. So I'm gonna find USD JPY, so I will go here, USD JP right there. Okay, so this says go downwards, and I'm gonna hit that now. Let's do it, right, hit. Now I've selected, press that button, I'm gonna press trade, and it says it's successful. Okay, I think I didn't select my amount. Okay, my amount was hidden, it was at the top, but it's okay. Okay, okay, so now this has gone into the broker. It should be coming here in the open trade. I'm not sure why it didn't come. Maybe I need to refresh my page. Right, so I've refreshed the page, and it looks like it's gone in. It's right there. I can see it, USJPY sell trade, and now it's flickering up and down according to the chart, and that's my first trade. Now, as opposed to binary options, when you make a trade with the Forex, the trade is not going to close itself on a time basis. The trade is going to close when you close it yourself, because I have an option here, close, and when I hit that, whatever amount is on the right over here, whatever amount is over here, that will be my profit or loss, and that gets added to my overall balance. So this is the problem with these systems, that they have these details and stop losses. And I mean, if I look at my trade here, and I zoomed out here with the daily scale, I can see that it was 112 on the 6th of or 8th of December 2018, and in 30 days it came down to 108. So in 30 days it lost $4 per JPY, and it might take another 30 days before it can hit the recommended take profit of 103. And that, my friends, is the problem with these auto trading systems, that they're a little bit slow, and they're a little bit behind to predict how long it will take. And you don't want to wait another 30 days. You don't want to take the risk and leave your trade open and hope that it's gonna come back. I mean, this single dollar trade can literally blow up my account just by one trade if I don't close my trade, because it's running in loss right now. But I have option that I could have done when I place the trade. So for example, for USD JPY, I hit sell, I select close at loss, and I can say 5 pips. That means it's gonna close at 108.81, and right now it's 108.79. So that means it's very, very close to my loss limit. And which I device, according to the this crypto system, your stop loss is 1112. Can you calculate how big of a euro loss it is based on your based on the leverage that you have by the broker? That's not $1. That's not €1. That's a loss of 40 euros right there. You know, do you see that? Because your leverage given by the and plus the drop in the prices, they add up, and then you make bigger loss. You don't make a loss of only $1 or €1, okay? Because that's your pip value right there. Your pip value is €8, you know, and you gotta calculate that. And if I change this to 2, this is gonna double, because your one pip is $8. So that means 4 is gonna be 32. You know, and that's how much money you can lose for every pip that this thing increases, provided if you're doing a sell trade. What I recommend to my viewers is that they learn it's okay to use these systems, automated crypto systems, but only if you can afford to lose the money that you put in. The other option is to learn. And that's why I have few courses laid out. If you go to easytradingschool.com, I'll show you the website URL here. You can go there directly or use the link in the video. And you go get course, and right now I have a sale on, and you can get everything for half price. And I've extended the day for another 5 days, so it's no longer 6th of January. It's going to be until 10th of January. And that's when the pre-sale is going to end. So you're getting everything for half price. If you are beginner, you can get the 99 standard price starter trader course for only 49 euros. Now, compared to what you see here, you're already losing 49 euro here. So if you think that you're saving money, or you're going to get a shortcut to making a lot of money, you're wrong. Okay, you gotta put in some work. Even if you want to use this system, at least do a basic course, at least do a starter course, then go out there. Because I mean, a lot of people don't know how to use these signals at all. I mean, I've shown you what's happening, but there's more to that. There's a take profit, there's stop loss, then there's pip value. You know, there's all these things going on, and you gotta know the basics. I mean, this is not gonna send tons of money to your bank account so you can withdraw from your ATM. It's not gonna happen. And if you're already trading a little bit, go for the side trader, or go and do step by step all of them. It doesn't matter. You know, learning is it never ends. I'm still learning. So friends, thanks for watching my video, and I hope you subscribe if you like the video, and you can ask any questions through the email. We also have more options here. Of course, you can still sign up with auto trading system. Link is in the video, and do subscribe, because I will be bringing more stuff more information just for you guys. Okay, thanks for watching. See you again.
Thank you, Keith, for great free before and free after sign up support. And thank you for watching. And to subscribe, click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.